Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, May 5th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos from Friday. And on Friday, the Euro US dollar came in number one, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis from Friday morning, check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have a pretty big push up at the news on Friday, and now it did pull back quite a bit. If you do trade on shorter than 1 hour time frames, I probably would be looking for shorts, because either way, whether this is a trend reversal or not, I would expect to see at least one more push down. Anything like this, I would always label as either an A or 1. I would expect to see a B or a 2. Then I would expect to see a wave C or a wave 3. If it is a wave C, then it will most likely bounce off either the 61 or the 78. 3 waves down and pulsive up will tell you to get out of your shorts and go long. Otherwise, if it really is in 1, 2, 3, then yeah, you'll still get a fib bounce, but you will not get a breaker structure, and instead it'll just keep on making lower lows, lower highs. So like I said, either way, if you're trading the shorter time frames, I would especially be looking for shorts. If it's a wave C, you should better identify that. If it's a wave 3, you should better just hold your shorts and continue to enjoy the profits to the short side. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all the swing trade setups that I save with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.